Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download the AVG Antivirus app on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download the AVG Antivirus app on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, you will need to go to the official website of AVG, since that's where we will download their antivirus app. So just search for avg.com on your search bar. And after searching, you will now be on the website. So to download the antivirus app on this website, it's so simple, since if you will take a look, you will now be able to see the download button for the app right here. Just go and click it. And after that, the installer file for your AVG will now be downloaded, so you can now click the file to start installing the app. And then just click the install button to finally start the installation process. And after that, the app will now start installing. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, it's done. Congratulations, you will now have your AVG antivirus installed on your PC or laptop, so you can now use it to keep your device safe and secure. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.